Welcome to another episode of Juice Boost TV, and I've decided to do a serious question today instead of the silly questions that I usually like to do. And let's see what else I can do today. I already forgot. Look at my pad here. Okay, there's no name on this one. It's Dear Tommy, orals on an empty stomach, yes or no? Tough question. I can see why there's some confusion on should orals be taken with an empty stomach or with food. Most notably, fats, like your vitamin D. Vitamin D should always be taken with fats, so for absorption. However, there's not a lot of studies on steroids in your question with food or without food. However, we do know that your C17 methylated steroids basically have to be taken with an empty stomach. Those would be like methandrosterone, D-ball, Dianabol, oxandrolone, your Anavar, stanzanol, Winstrol. What's another one? Methyl testosterone, which is sold under the name Android or Test Red, I believe. That's a C17 methylated one. Fluxmesterone. Yeah, that's how you say it. Your Halestin, another C17. And your C17s are the ones that also tear up your liver pretty bad. I can't say these chemical names very well. I'm not a goddamn fucking doctor. I'm a meathead, just like you guys. But these are to be taken on an empty stomach. Methylation, it's a structural trait, and they've put that in there so that it bypasses the liver, basically. If the liver can't break down the methylated part, the C17 methylated, it can't break it down. Therefore, it kind of bypasses it and goes straight to muscle tissue. So most of the steroid, not all, but most of it, goes intact to the muscle when it's C17 methylated. But it does beat up the fucking liver and kidneys quite a bit. So these should be taken on an empty stomach. And this is a challenge as a bodybuilder. So when you wake up in the morning, you might take a dose of one of these drugs. And then an hour later eat. If you're eating, let's say, 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., you get the point, every 3 hours, you would probably want to consume these compounds in between meals. Because as a bodybuilder, we never really truly have an empty stomach. I mean, at least fucking you're not supposed to anyway. So that's a challenge. When they say without food, it's, we're bodybuilders. We eat every 3 hours. Most of us do anyway. So I would definitely time those orals in between meals. So if you eat at 9 p.m. or 9 a.m., maybe like 10:30, 11, because you're going to be eating again at 12. And I hope that answers your question. It was just a quick little video, and I thought I'd do something serious for a change. But that's the truth. C17, methylated, empty stomach, stuff like amoxicillin, any other oral steroid that's not C17 methylated. Most of them are. But the ones that aren't, then I would take those with a fatty meal. Take with peanut butter, steak, whatever. All right. Hope you guys found this informative. Peace out.